So there's different types of cost differences between mediation and litigation. One thing we have to look at is financial cost. And I know a lot of times when you get to the mediation process, it may seem expensive, but the majority of the time, if not all the time, mediation is going to cost less than it's going to cost you and your attorney to get ready and go have a trial from a financial standpoint. But there's also what I call the cost of an emotional cost. And if you can go to mediation and you reach an agreement, a lot of times it's going to be something you don't like, but you know you can live with it, and you're saving yourself the emotional expense of going to the trial, because trials can be very long. It's your personal life put out in front of your attorney, your spouse's attorney, and a judge, and sometimes there might be other spectators in the courtroom. So your life is being put out, and a judge is making a ruling on that. So there's that emotional cost. And that emotional cost is always, I feel like, very heavy when it comes to children, because if you reach an agreement in mediation about your children and what's going to happen on a day-to-day schedule, or how much child support is going to be, it has to be part of the guidelines. But if you can reach an agreement on your children, then you still have control over that. Whereas if you go to court and a judge is making that determination, then the control of your children is ultimately with that judge. You've given over the control of your children to that judge.